Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1+ area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. Well, guys, right now the overall market is very choppy. I primarily trade options on Nvidia and Tesla, and both are range bound. Very hard to make money in a choppy market. That's why I advocate the KISS system. Keep it simple, stupid, and focus on what's working right now. And right now, that's Nasdaq penny stocks under $1. They are absolutely crushing it right now. Look at AVTX up 81% today, just a $4.5 million market cap. ZVSA up 47%, just a $5.73 million market cap. IMPL up 44%, just a $17 million market cap. NVOS, we've been covering it nonstop here at InsiderFinancial.com, up 521% in a month. The company continues to run, was up today in the wake of news that the company's board was considering implementing a $5 million share buyback. The stock was up as much as 27% in mid-afternoon trading and has risen over 80% from Friday's close. The company said on Friday that its board was considering the measure as part of its ongoing strategic review of the company. The buyback would be conducted after the closing and full funding of either a $70 million note with RC Consulting with a total draw of $57 million or an agreement with SWAG for the purchase of a precious gem collection. Both transactions were previously announced. AXLA, this one's back over $1, but this one was trading at 10 cents last month. It's up 604% in a month. Just been an incredible runner here at InsiderFinancial.com and been covering it nonstop. And right now, these penny stocks under $1, this is where you want to be focused on. And this is why we have a new report on a Nasdaq penny stock just for subscribers tonight and also for the pre-market tomorrow. The float is just 8.67 million shares and the stock is trading under 35 cents a share. This is right in the wheelhouse of where you want to be right now. This report is only available to subscribers, and the only way to get our report is by signing up with your email. Again, it's completely free. So click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Updating our watch list, and as I tell everyone, the purpose of the watch list is to identify the stocks that are green and play that momentum. We are not dip buying small caps. You want to dip buy, go do that in ETF or big cap tech. None of this is financial advice. No one knows what stocks will run tomorrow, but you can create a watch list of potential runners. It's that simple. Focus on green, not red. Trade the momentum. Don't be looking at like I said, going and dip buying. If it's a red day, let it go lower. We don't know how low it's going to go, but when they turn, it'll be green, and just play the breakout. And some past runners that are on our watch list: ACB, CGC. These are all pot stocks. CRON, TLRY, SNDL, and CURLF, Curaleaf. Curaleaf. After a review, the DEA is likely to accept the suggestion of HHS and change the scheduling of marijuana as a Schedule 1 drug to Schedule 3. This is according to Boris Johnson, founder and chairman of Curaleaf Holdings. Speaking Tuesday on a podcast with cannabis investor Toby Chanadumchuk, Johnson said he expects the DEA to come up with its decision about 90 days after it received that recommendation, which happened in late August. Around the same time the DEA acts, Johnson expects Attorney General Merrick Garland to come out with a letter explaining how the Justice Department will reconcile the change with states. He noted that rescheduling that is more important to the industry's future than legislation that would allow cannabis business to work with U.S. banks or uplisting on stock exchanges. In addition, Johnson said the rescheduling would allow cannabis companies to operate like other businesses, giving them access to tax benefits as well. He projected that the rescheduling would lead Curaleaf to save $150 million on the federal level and $20 million on state levels in 2024. Johnson also sees SAFE Banking Act passing the Senate, likely with about 14 or 15 Republican votes. Assuming this happens when the bill gets sent down to the House, it could get passed as a standalone, or if the votes aren't there for not, potentially attached to must-pass legislation. Two other names, future Faraday FFIE. This is bouncing off its recent all-time low. The big upturn came on above average volume. The EV maker did not update any new financial information today, but did release a teaser video related to Jason Oppenheim taking delivery of his FF91 2.0 Futurist Alliance at FF's Delivery Co-Creation Day. Oppenheim will also join the Futurist Spire Club Salon with the exclusive group of early owners. The club is said to be a platform to allow Oppenheim to share his vision of the future of electric vehicle luxury, and he's from the Oppenheim Group, a big major real estate agency in California, and he's on the show Selling Sunset. Lastly, Idai. This is creeping higher, was up 44% today. There is a takeover rumor going around. So this is what's getting this excited. Some people are betting on a takeover happening. There's UPST has been mentioned as a possible, but what's interesting is this one has just a $12.9 million market cap. So certainly a discount entry opportunity in Idai if a takeover is about to happen. In terms of the overall market, stocks, bonds, and the dollar saw small moves today. We've got a mixed inflation report suggesting speculation that Fed will pause its rate hikes but refrain from calling the end of its tightening cycle. S&P 500 was little changed. Dow's down slightly. Apple fell as China flagged security problems with iPhones. 2-year yields dropped below 5%, which is significant. The greenback edged lower. Swaps tied to the next two Federal Open Market Committee meetings continued to price in little chance of a hike next week and about a 50% odds of one in November. The CPI index, CPI, which excludes food and energy costs, advanced 0.3% from July, the first acceleration in 6 months. From a year ago, it increased 4.3%, in line with estimates and marking the smallest advance in nearly 2 years. However, it's still above the Fed's 2% goal. Overall, today's U.S. CPI report wasn't earth-shattering. This print likely makes a case for another pause in September, but provides little clarity into Fed action beyond this. We expect conflicting pronouncements from the Fed heading into the autumn, and consensus over the best path forward is unlikely, creating the potential for a contentious November meeting. Another inflation matrix metric looms ahead Thursday. The August reading of the Producer Price Index, it is expected to have risen 0.4% per economist polled by Dow Jones. In July, wholesale prices climbed 0.3%, surpassing expectations. We also get retail sales data, which is due at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow. And if you look at today's report, the worst part of today's report was that real average hourly earnings declined 0.5% in August, taking a large bite out of consumer spending power. So if earnings are going down and prices of goods are going higher, that is what impacts the consumer. And what we do here at InsiderFinancial.com, guys, is put stocks on your radar that have the potential for outsized moves. As I say repeatedly, there are always opportunities each day in the markets. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding that momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, and AI stocks. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at InsiderFinancial.com and unsubscribe. But for tomorrow, our main focus is a low float Nasdaq penny stock trading under 35 cents. The float is only 8.67 million shares. We think there could be some major fireworks in this name for the rest of the week. To get our full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great Thursday, traders. Bye-bye.